What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a table of contents in Google Docs. So let's get right into it. Highlight your title and go to Paragraph Styles Heading 1 and apply Heading 1. Do the same for the next title or whatever else you want to be heading. If you have any subtitles that you want to include in your table of contents, do the same steps, but this time go to Heading 2 and apply Heading 2. Follow the same steps for all your other subtitles. After you are done and ready to insert your table of contents, put your cursor in the start of your heading, press Ctrl, Enter, or Command Enter, and this will create your table of contents on its own page. Go to Insert and press Table of Contents. You will have three options to choose from: plain text, dotted or links. I'll choose dotted for this example. If you don't like this one, just click Undo and choose dotted or links. I'll leave it on the dotted option as I think it looks best. Also, you can edit your headings and subheadings by clicking on them and changing the font, color, or size that you would like. And that's it, guys, how to make a table of contents in Google Docs. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.